Another day on O's for off-road, and Celine's getting more upgrades. Went to AfterDarkSpeed.com and got a front and rear tow hooks for her, and gonna get these installed. I'm going for a green and black theme on the car, so I'm gonna quickly scuff these up and paint them. These did seem to come with the hardware you need. Looks like nutserts and a little tool to tighten them in after you drill them. So, should be pretty straightforward. It's time to get to work. So it's a new day. I've got the hooks painted. I'm gonna start in the back because it's the easiest. The back is, well, I put the car up on blocks just so it's easier to do this. But underneath here, the hangers for the rear exhaust, they bolt in. There's 2 bolts right here. Take those out, or 2 nuts technically. Take those down, put that in its place, then bolt that back up and it's in place. So yeah, I'll get started on that. Show you what this looks like. So you got your exhaust, in my case, got the Borla on here, comes back, and then there's 2 bolts there and there. Let's see. There and there. You take this off, and then this hanger should come off. Looks like the exhaust is mostly supported on its own. And then this slides through the hole and through that. So slide it in there like that. And then on this side. Now I don't think there's any way I can do this on with the camera in my hand, so I realized why I couldn't get this back on as soon as my alarm starts going off. So I realized why I can't get this on. I'm trying to get this to actually press up against there, but I didn't see that this is hitting that. It's kind of hard to tell on the camera angle. Let's see. Yeah, this needs to go up, but it can't because this piece of the bracket keeps hitting here. So yeah, it's just not gonna go up enough unless I put this thing has 2 spots through here. If I hang this through here, it probably would fit. I'm gonna try that. So yeah, that did work. Lower control, come on, focus. Going through the lower control lowers this down, and let's see if I can get the camera back up to there again. Yeah. So now I can actually put the bolts on there and tighten it down. It doesn't talk about that in the instructions, but I don't know. I don't think this Borla exhaust thing is stock. At least I'm pretty sure it's not. But you may run into this with whatever hangers you have. So that's the back one installed. Don't know how strong that is, but come on, camera, focus. That's the back. Time to work on the front. So I just got done installing the front and rear tow hooks on my C5 Corvette. This is Z06, but it works in the same. The front and rear tow hooks are from After Dark Speed. And the quality of the materials is good. I mean, it's just 2 pieces of metal and 6 riv nuts and 6 bolts. That's pretty much all it is, and a little riv nut tool to install the riv nuts, which is kind of a pain. Things I would have wished I had before this, or at least known that I had for sure, is a 17 30-seconds drill bit. It does talk about it in the instructions. I thought I had one. I did not. It's just slightly over a ½ inch. Something you're definitely going to need. Another thing that is almost crucial for, well, was crucial for doing this because I refused to take out the air conditioner condenser and the radiator, was something like a right angle drill attachment. Unfortunately, mine's only chuck in 3/8. So the big 17 30-seconds drill bit that I have would not fit in this. It barely fit in a ½ inch chuck because 17 30-seconds is just slightly over ½ inch. So I had to get a different drill. But anyway, that worked out. Just something I wish I had before because I had to drive over town to get it. The back went in like 2 minutes, but the front you have to disassemble the air box and the shroud and a couple other things to get access to it. It says you need to take off the air diverter. I did not. I was able to work around that, but everything else had to come out. I'm gonna probably do a voiceover of the video as I was going along of any key points that I might have missed. But yeah, so far so good. After Dark Speed shipped it like super fast. It got here very quick, and yeah, I mean my interactions with them was good, so I recommend them. And yeah, we'll see how this works out on the actual track. I got a race this coming week, and we'll see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching O is for Off-Road. Come back here for more C5 stuff, and gonna probably be a lot more videos of getting this girl into cam class. Right now I'm in AS, or A-stock. So gonna be lots of things coming up. Seats, tire and wheel changes, some engine mods possibly, some aero possibly, and we'll see where it goes from there. Anyway, time for me to get back to work. See you.